operational. We are born. This baby's like this. So, oh, wait again. Bali di plug the snacks. Now my table. Now I need to like plug it on top of another plug. So yeah, this is how it looks. There also help a food processor, and then since it comes with something else, so I don't know how this works. I'll definitely have to check the menu. Well, somewhere somehow something needs to go in. I know these things needs to go in, but I just don't know how. But we'll see. We'll figure it out. I don't want to read the manual because this video is gonna be long. Yeah, no, the video is gonna be long. All the steps, just too much. And then when you do your smoothies, the hollandaise sauce. Ooh, can't wait! I can't wait. And this baby must be here. So guys, I think I bought this for 1.5, if I'm not mistaken, because we lost the receipt. I and my husband and I run now. It's again. Once we scan the receipt to our emails, then we get rid of it. So I think it's safe where it is. Oh, there it is. There it is. The actual baby's here. Hi, nasekere hi. Byanong ba entse complicated. So the actual baby is here. Quickly show you. Hi, boy. Continue. Oh. I know. I can't remember. But something. Say haywa nagam. Haywa. I can't remember. Okay, and I don't know. Maybe the juicer also. Oh, the juicer comes here. So, yeah, we forgot. Oh, so you can make juice, guys. You can simply work this thing and work it out. And well, then you press. Oh, I don't have the energy to do that. I have a juicer, but if you don't have a juicer, you can simply use this method. Yeah, this is what I bought. And also, okay, so like I said, we bought them from Game Clearance Store in Rose in Four Ways. Yeah, in Four Ways. It's just next to Game Store. So apparently they take items that are not being bought or sold as much as they would love to, and then put them in the clearance store, because this mixer is around 3 grand. So I bought it for 1.5. Yeah, I bought it for 1.5. And then we also bought um a Hoover, and the Hoover we bought it for 900 because it was around 1.9 if I remember correctly. So let me put this away and show you the Hoover. It comes with some quite accessories within it. Okay, this is the brush. So it's a two beds, and it's gonna help clean the couches. This is the thing. Let me put everything where it's supposed to be, because ha batla ba tlo unpack bang ba tsona ke tla be ke sa itse hore eng e ko kae. So yeah, wa bona bana a ke sa khona le o ikwana ai ntho tse guys ha ona ntho e frustrating go tshwana le gore khone o bula selo batho pa le go se tswalla ai. Okay, let's see. Well, I tried. Okay, comes with a manual. So guys, I'm just gonna upload. Please go engage on my previous vlog. I uploaded it because I was struggling to upload my cooking vlog, my cooking video. I guess this is the arm that goes is this one. It goes into all of that. It goes into machine, and then it connects with these somewhere. Somewhere it connects. Let's see. Yeah, somewhere it connects. I don't know. Camona. I am so skeptical to unbox the entire thing because I don't think I'll be able to take it back. And mongwe yona ha yo tlo boa mo a nkomanya hore one box ile dilo tsaka. I wanted to show you guys. Oh wow. So this is a wet and dry machine. Yeah. So you can actually wash with water. Oh guys, this is so pretty. It's so pretty. And guys, they still have, they still have this machine for that game clearance. And then it comes with the whole thingy, the actual Hoover. I'm not sure if it works on tiles. I hope it does. I will have to check that and I'll let you guys know when we use it one day. Oh, this is so pretty. I love it. A Smalanyana invented car technology. Yeah, guys, that's what we actually bought. That's what I wanted to unbox with you. Now let's go edit the video because we're gonna edit this video. I'm tired of having videos that I don't edit and then I get to be lazy. So I'm learning. I saw Mandy saying, when I'm done shooting this content, I'm just gonna edit it. You know what? I'm adapting to that behavior. When I'm done shooting this content, I am going to edit it. So I'm not sure whether to put it with my weekend vlog or as a separate unboxing video. Let's do it the separate one. Because in short, whenever you upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes, you struggle to import. Oh guys, content creation is a lot. It's a lot. And Modi Mamo, you guys just watch videos, you don't comment, you don't share, you don't guys, batung batung, please, hey, please engage. Please, when you see my content, just know that this poor person went through hell editing. I know you didn't hire me, but I love doing it. Please help us. Help us. Help us in our pockets. Please help us in our pockets. Siyanicela. Oh, siyacela ke. Help us in our pockets. Help us grow. Don't you guys want to see us and be like, I've been following her from 0 followers. I was her first follower. You know, she was so dedicated, so consistent. I am trying to be, don't be fooled. I am trying to be very consistent in my life. I had to discipline myself and start doing the work. Though sometimes it's very hard because I have a child, I have 2 kids, and you guys can see Kawane is a lot. Kawane is a lot. So holiday shooting content it's impossible. So I'm just taking this bag in here. So my husband will come and assemble it the way it should be done. I don't know what's the mirror. Okay, I'm putting everything. I just wanted to show you guys what we bought. And if you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment, and share my content. Bye guys, see you in the next